This tutorial is for the line repetition design. The first thing you do is get your square. Only use pen for this. Draw your design, or with your practice one, use the designs already drawn. Choose one section, and you can do 2 walls or 3 walls or 4 walls. This first one, I'm doing 4. You just follow the lines. You take the line down, and then starting a little bit up from the bottom of it, you do the line across, and then up, and then across, and you just continue that pattern. Try to keep the lines the same width. You don't want some really thin and some really wide. Alright, this next section, let's just use 2 walls. You just go across, and then go a little bit inside the line, and then down, across and down. Keep the lines even and smooth. Take your time with this. Okay, let's do the curved section. You could just follow the curve, and that's really boring, so let's not do that. Let's start at the bottom and draw the straight line across. Then the curved line. Just follow the lines. And let's make this 3 walls. So a straight line down, then a straight line across, and then the curve around again. Follow your sequence. Down, across, and curve around. Keep the lines even. Okay, this section might look awkward to you, but it's really not. It's the same thing. Just choose how many walls you're going to follow. This one I'm going across and then up and across, and then across and up and across. I'm just doing 3 walls. Follow your pattern. Don't get lost in your sequence. Remember where you started. Across and then up and then across. Alright, last section. Decide how many walls you're going to follow, how many lines you're going to make. We'll do 3 walls on this one. Down, start a little ways up on the line, across, and then up. Down, across, and up. And that's it.